Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a Google Family group, and this is quite easy to do. You can do this on any device. Now, if you're using a mobile, first thing you want to do is open your browser or open any Google application. Somewhere here you find Profile, tap on this, and then when you tap on your account, when you scroll, you find Manage your Google account. If you open the Google Play Store or any Google related app, when you tap on your profile, you always find Manage your Google account. Tap on this and this will take you to your Google account. Now, if you choose not to use this, and if you choose to use the other method, which is simply open your browser, and in the search section, you want to search for Google accounts. You find Google accounts in this section. Now you can tap on any of these two links if you see two links in this section. So both of them will take you to the same place. Now tap on any of these and this will take you to your Google Account Center. Now here you want to find people and sharing. Tap on this and at the top here you see your family on Google. Get started. Tap on get started. So you basically see what happens when you create a Google Family group. You bring your family together on Google, get more with a family group, set digital ground rules for kids, which I have a video in the description and at the end of this video on how to use the Google Family link to set ground rules for your kids. You see, keep everyone on track, share entertainment, connect with your family. So the family experience across Google, you'll be able to explore Google products and services tailored for families. So you'll be able to share subscription and many more. Now what you want to do is scroll here and tap on create a family group. Tap on continue here. Now the next page here, you can invite people who you want to be your family member. And you can invite up to 5 people to join your family group. If they are 13 years or older, children can be added via Google Family link. So you can type a name if they are already saved in your email list, or you can, in this section here, enter the email address of the member you want to invite and then tap on the member. Now you can add multiple emails. All you need to do is type in the email address, or if they're on your email list, you can search for their name in this section. Now once you're done adding all the members, tap on send in this section here. And an invitation will be sent to the family member you just invited. Now all they need to do is go to their email, open the email that was sent, and they will see the invitation. Now all they need to do here is to click on accept invitation and then click on join family group. They will be added to your family group and they can click on view family group. This will take them to their Google account where they will be able to view family settings and more. They will also be able to leave the group, view members and managers within the group, and you can also assign roles to them. Now on your device, you can tap on got it in this section here. And this will take you to the same place. You'll be able to tap on the members and give parental permission, as well as also remove them. You'll also be able to send invitations. So when you tap on this, you'll be able to add email address of members you want to add. When you go back, scroll, you see family sharing. You see that they are all connected. You'll be able to share and connect with family using these services. You can also tap on view family sharing here. And you see other apps that will be shared. Now when you go back here again, you now see parental control and delete family group. So if you wish to delete family group, you can do that from here. To set up parental control, you can tap on parental control here. And this will take you to Google Family link. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.